in the chain, rest in peace to my superior. Let me get in the chain, rest in peace to my superior.